Bananas are one of the healthiest foods you can eat, or at least that's what most people believe. They're natural, full of nutrients, easy to grab, and recommended by almost every health expert out there. But what if I told you that eating bananas at the wrong time could actually be working against your body? Not just slowing your metabolism, but quietly affecting your blood sugar, your energy levels, and even your sleep. And the worst part is, most people eat bananas at this exact time every single day, thinking they're making a healthy choice. Today, we're going to break down what really happens inside your body when you eat bananas at the wrong time, why timing matters more than you think, and how one small change can completely shift the way your body responds. Why bananas aren't the problem? Let's get one thing clear right away. Bananas are not unhealthy. They are rich in potassium, vitamin B6, fiber, and natural carbohydrates that your body can use for energy. They can support digestion, muscle function, and even heart health. But here's what most people miss. Your body doesn't just react to what you eat, it reacts to when you eat it. And bananas, because of their natural sugar content, are highly sensitive to timing. During the day, your body is active, your metabolism is running efficiently, and your cells are more responsive to insulin. At that time, bananas can be a great source of quick, usable energy. But when you eat them at the wrong time, the story changes. The worst time to eat bananas. So, what is the worst time? Late at night, especially right before bed. This is where many people go wrong. They feel slightly hungry at night, and instead of reaching for junk food, they grab a banana. It feels like the healthier choice. But at night, your body is no longer in energy-burning mode. Your metabolism slows down. Your insulin sensitivity decreases, and your body prepares for rest and repair. When you eat a banana during this time, the natural sugars enter your bloodstream quickly. Because your body is less efficient at handling sugar at night, this can lead to a sharper spike in blood glucose. And when that spike happens late in the evening, your body has fewer opportunities to burn that energy off. So instead of being used, it's more likely to be stored. How this affects your weight over time, this small habit can start to add up. Because every time your blood sugar rises, your body releases insulin. And insulin's job is to move that sugar out of your bloodstream and store it. During the day, that stored energy can be used later. But at night, when you're inactive, that storage often turns into fat. This is one of the reasons people say, "I eat healthy, but I still can't lose weight." They're not necessarily eating the wrong foods. They're eating the right foods at the wrong time. Bananas, being higher in carbohydrates compared to many other fruits, can amplify this effect if eaten late at night. Now here's something most people don't expect. Bananas can actually affect your sleep. You might have heard that bananas help you sleep because they contain magnesium and tryptophan. And that's partly true. But the sugar content changes the equation. When you eat a banana before bed, your blood sugar rises. Your body then has to work to bring it back down. This process can create subtle fluctuations in your energy levels throughout the night. Instead of staying in a deep, restful state, your body becomes slightly more active. This can lead to lighter sleep, more interruptions, and waking up feeling less refreshed. So even if you slept for several hours, your body didn't fully recover. Here's another detail most people overlook. Not all bananas affect your body the same way. The riper the banana, the higher its sugar content. A very ripe banana breaks down quickly in your body, leading to faster spikes in blood sugar. So if you're eating soft, spotted bananas at night, the effect becomes even stronger. On the other hand, slightly less ripe bananas contain more resistant starch, which digests more slowly. But even then, timing still matters. The best time to eat bananas. So, when should you eat bananas? Earlier in the day. Morning or early afternoon is ideal. This is when your body can actually use the carbohydrates for energy. Bananas can be great before a workout, as part of breakfast, as a midday energy boost. At these times, your body is active and able to process sugar more efficiently. If you want to make bananas even better, combine them with protein or healthy fats. For example, adding peanut butter or yogurt can slow down sugar absorption and keep your energy stable. Some people need to pay even closer attention to this. If you have blood sugar issues, prediabetes, diabetes, trouble sleeping, stubborn belly fat, then eating bananas at night could be making things worse without you realizing it. Your body is already sensitive to sugar fluctuations. Late-night spikes only increase the stress on your system. Bananas are not bad, but timing changes everything. Eating them at the wrong time, especially late at night, can affect your blood sugar, your sleep, and even your weight over time. So instead of cutting bananas out completely, just use them wisely. Eat them when your body needs energy, not when it's trying to rest. Because sometimes the smallest habits are the ones that have the biggest impact. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health tips that actually make a difference. And tell me in the comments, do you eat bananas at night? You might be surprised what your body has been trying to tell you.